Hello and welcome back to our channel, Your Tech Doc. Today, we're going to take a look at one of the most successful and renowned tech giants in the world, Apple. Over the years, Apple has launched some of the most innovative and high-end products that have revolutionized the tech industry. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the most expensive products launched by Apple till date. So without further ado, let's get started. The Mac Pro is Apple's most powerful computer. Next, we have the Apple Lisa. The Lisa was the first commercial computer with a graphical user interface and was launched way back in 1983. It was priced at $9,995, which is equivalent to around $25,000 today. Unfortunately, it wasn't a commercial success due to its high price and limited software availability. 16-inch MacBook Pro. The 16-inch MacBook Pro is one of Apple's most powerful laptops. The highest configuration can cost up to $6,990. It's a great choice for professionals who need a powerful machine for video editing, graphic design, or other high-performance tasks. Apple Watch Edition. The Apple Watch Edition is the most expensive watch in Apple's lineup. It's made from 18-karat gold and comes with a matching gold band. The price starts at $17,000 and can go up to $22,000 depending on the band you choose. Apple Watch Hermes. The Apple Watch Hermes is a collaboration between Apple and luxury fashion brand Hermes. The latest version, released in 2022, starts at $1,399 and can cost up to $1,499. Apple Watch Hermes Series 7 with tourbillon is the most expensive Apple Watch ever launched, with a price of $34,000. It features an exclusive Hermes watch face and a tourbillon complication, which is a mechanism that improves the watch's accuracy by counteracting the effects of gravity. Moving on to the Apple Watch Ceramic Edition. The Apple Watch Ceramic Edition is the pinnacle of Apple Watch craftsmanship. It's a device that combines form and function in a way that is unrivaled in the wearable tech world. It is the ultimate luxury smartwatch for those who want the best of the best. In 2023, the Ceramic Edition Series 5 remains the most recent model of the Ceramic Edition and continues to be a popular option for those who demand the very best in materials and design.